Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making mosaic hearts using cardboard tiles. Now this is a great project for kids because the tiles aren't made of glass and they're easy to cut with scissors. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some mosaic hearts. I coated these hearts with Glaze Coat resin, which is a 2-part epoxy resin. Just make sure to cover your project for about 12 hours to keep it free of dirt and dust and give it enough time to cure. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press that notification bell so you know when I have a new video. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts and I will see you next week. Bye.